This bathroom mold is bad. Like, really, really bad. So before we begin, this is a simple two-stage process. Any alkaline-based cleaner for the first step will do. I'm using my own homemade bathroom cleaner, and I'll give that recipe a little bit later. For the first stage, the second stage, I'm using a cleaner with some bleach in it. You can also just mix up bleach into a spray. About 5% in water will suffice. Also, trigger warning, you're about to see my feet because I wasn't standing in my shoes in the shower. I'm going to spray my alkaline cleaner. It's actually mild enough that I can stand in it around where I want it to be, and then I'm going to get my toothbrush. I did bring a dish brush in as well, but that's a lot more aggressive. If I don't put too much pressure on it, that's a bit quicker. And I'm using my toothbrush. There's a bit of loose sealant here, which is fine. Don't mind a bit of loose sealant. Try it with this, but I'd say it's going to be a lot more aggressive and take out nearly all of the sealant. But you know what? That's fine. I like to take the shower head off so I can direct the water where I need it to go. It's much easier too, and I turn the shower up hot so I have some hot water doing any of the residual cleaning around. So I'm just going to rinse this off so you can see how effective this is on both the shower and on the shower door. I was going to link the recipe for my homemade bathroom cleaner at the end of this video, but I decided to just edit it down a little bit and put the whole thing in here for you so you don't have to go rummaging around. You can actually convert simple baking soda into a new compound called washing soda, and I use the washing soda to make the cleaning product. Washing soda can be made from baking soda in 30 minutes at home. Some of you guys are here for entertainment and some of you guys are just here to learn how to clean the bathroom properly. So here you go. My toilet, shower and bath cleaning recipe is super effective and super cheap to make. Washing soda is a product that has been around for generations, yet isn't really used very much anymore, and it's a crying shame because it's exceptionally good at cleaning, funnily enough being washing soda. It's also known as soda crystals and sodium percarbonate, but it's really easy to get your hands on. And then I'm also going to mix my washing soda with some rubbing alcohol, IPA, isopropanol. Yes, that's the word. To 400 mils of water, I'm going to add 50 mils of my IPA, rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to add about 50 grams. Grams and mils are the same, by the way. So I'm going to add 50 grams to my water solution too, if I could find my measuring thing. So we've got 100 mils. So I'm going to estimate that my 100 mils will translate to, probably should have poured this. Yeah. Yes, okay. Try doing this while holding a camera. It's not easy. I am a mess, but I know how to clean stuff. Okay. Right. So 50 grams of our washing soda. And you want to put this into warm water because the soda crystals will dissolve better in warm water. And that's pretty much our bathroom cleaning mixture ready to go. I've included this little bit of B-roll cleaning an absolutely filthy bath with this mixture. Now, any alkaline based bathroom cleaning mixture will do. This one that I make is just much cheaper and crazy effective. But knock yourself out. You can make the baking soda from washing soda. I'll link that at the end of this video. Or you can go and buy an alkaline cleaner. Either one of them will work. It just needs to be an alkaline cleaner for the first phase. Now, I have a little bit of a conundrum. This is the one area where I'm going to use bleach because I've got some black mold and the bleach is going to kill that black mold and get rid of it, right? But my problem is the method for this is to put something that's going to make the bleach clean, okay? So if I do that, this side also has needs to be bleached, but I want to run this toilet paper along so that the bleach doesn't evaporate. So I'm just going to have to live with it and just spray this in and leave it to dwell. But I ideally would like to put toilet paper in here so that the bleach doesn't evaporate off it, but I don't have that choice. So I'm going to put the bleach along and then to the same. Here. But objectively this side is much worse. So in order to get that to stay where I want it to stay, I'm going to put the toilet paper inside here and then spray it down. And that's going to deal with our mold issues. Bathroom cleaning is the one area of the house where you really need to understand the pH scale, why acids, alkalines, solvents and even surfactants are really important. You can see that the bleach has done an exceptional job cleaning out the mold, but it wouldn't have done it on its own. It needed to be cleaned with an alkaline cleaner first. Now, bleach is actually an oxidizing alkaline cleaner, and what it has done is it has oxidized the mold. If you want to know more about cleaning science, watch this video here, or make your own washing soda by watching this video here.